So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem a code in Stumble Guys. So the first thing you want to do is go to stumbleguys.com, then click the play option, which will give you the layout that looks something like this. From here you can see your profile, you can see your progress, you can see your notifications, as well as currency that's used in game. Now, if you want to redeem a code, usually that's for some transactions. If you want to add currency, so let's say I click the plus sign on here, it will take me to the shop. Now, once I am at the shop, you can see I can buy some of these gems, which I can use in game. And then you can see here the options: support a creator, enter a code to support a content creator when you make an in-app purchase. So you click on enter code, and you will need to enter creator code. So whether or not you got it from some creator, it was a suggestion or referral code or something like that, you will just need to type it in here. Then you click on OK, and you can get a discount, or you can get that redeem code that will help out maybe a content creator that showed you the way to Stumble Guys. So there's a few things that you can keep an eye out. You can also use not just for gems, you can use for other currency as well. So you can see right now it's for extras, you can see gems, offers, you can see the skins and so on. So if you go to extras, you can enter a code and hopefully it will give you some better price and support their creators. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Stumble Guys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.